to our third lesson, that is using some important HTML tags. In this lesson, we'll be learning what is a tag and the tags like h1 to h6, then p tag, then pre tag, then horizontal rule, then line break and img. We'll be learning one by one. So let's go to our code editor. Here I am. So I have created a file called file2.html. Here same thing, I have to type html5, then this change learning important tags is the title. Here we can use some tags like h1 to h6. I'll show you one by one. These are our 6 headings that we can have in HTML, and let's see by going to our web browser, open with LiveServe. There we are. Heading 1 is the biggest heading, then heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. Heading 6 is the smallest one and heading 1 is the biggest one. It is very simple, only the thing is this, you have to remember h1 to h6. With what you have to start, you have to close with the same tag. h1 starting, matlab h1 closing. h6 starting, then it should be closed by h6. Then we can type some paragraph. If you want, you can use here one important tag. I'll show you. This is HR. Till now, I have been telling you that all the tags should have, starting tag should have an ending tag. But there are some special tags that don't have any end tag. They are called self-closing tags. I am showing you. This HR is a self-closing tag. Here, this slash you have to give it here. This tells us, it tells the browser that it is the tag which don't have any closing. Itself is the opening as well as closing because it don't have any content inside it. Because H6 is the content of H6. H5 is the content, heading 5 is the content of H5. Heading 4 is the content of H4. But this HR don't have any content and it's the self-closing, so it don't have any closing tag. So remember, there are some tags which don't have the closing tag. One is HR, another one is BR and one is IMG, which also we'll discuss in this lesson. Now let's see again What does HR do? HR is this one, which creates the line between one line. Then let's write one paragraph. For writing paragraph, we have to use the P tag. P, closing P. Then let's write 50 words. VS Code gives us one option of using some dummy text. Here you have to type lorem, Lorem. So let's say 100 characters, I have 100 words I want to write, 100, and press enter. Once you press the enter, you will find that 100 characters has come or 100 words has come. You can go to view and word wrap. Once you click it, they will come here like this. Previously it was in one line. Now let's save it and see. This is the paragraph that we have. Now let's make one more paragraph and write one small poem. I'll just give one enter. Let's put one beer here, HR here, and let's see. See, it's coming in one line. It's not coming in the way that I have typed and I want it to display in the screen. It's not coming in the same way as I want, because here you have to use something called pre. If you use pre here, you will find the text coming here in the same way as we want, like this. Put it properly. If we put some space here and see, it's also coming in the same way as we are typing it. The font also get changed, which we can change with CSS also. So here you have to use something called pre. Pre tag will help you to write as you want it to appear, but the enter or space will not work when you are using P. And this is the HR. Here are some attributes I'll show you now and clear your concept of attributes. Now let's give some attributes here. See, 50%. So why will be 50%? Now let's see what happens. See here, this one the size has got reduced, but it comes in the center. If you want in the right side, you can put in the right side. If you want in the left side, you can put in the left side. So this is called attribute and this is the attribute value. And if you give here only say 500, say 500. Now what does the 550% means? If you give only 500, it means that you are saying talking about 500 pixels. And if you give here 50%, that means the width of the body is how much pixels? That's 50% is the width. We'll come to know about other measurements also in our CSS. Now let's give here align. Align left. If we give a align left, it comes in the left side. Similarly, align can have the center is the default, right? Right value if you give, you will find here is goes in the right, and center if you give it will come in the center, and even if you don't give, this is the default value. Is coming in the center. If I want to give the size, it should be size to 10. The size, as you can see here, it has increased the size, but is blank, is not filled. If you want to give some color, you can give the color. Let's see. Color doesn't come. Okay, I think it's been no shade. If you give no shade, it will come like this. The size has increased compared to this one. We have seen what is a pre-tag. We have seen the heading tags and we have seen the HR tag. Now we'll write one more paragraph. In paragraph also, you can give the alignment like this. Now see, it has come justified. The text has come justified when you have given this attribute of align. I'll bring one image here and keep it. Let's download it from the net. Let's make a folder out here. I'll just download one picture from the net. Let's take this one and save it. And give the name. This will not work. Let's take this image and I will put this image here. Why is that the file? And close the bracket. There we are. This my image. I can reduce the size if I want. I can give the height and width. This is how we can bring the image out here. So we have seen how to bring the image. We have seen how to bring the paragraph, write the paragraph. We have seen how to use the headings, how to use the pre-formatted text, how to use the horizontal rule, how to use the line breaks. One more line break I'll show you here. Suppose I want to write here one more line. I can use here something called BR, which is also a self-closing tag. And let's see. Here you can see this line has come down because it has not continuing here because we have used the BR tag out here. So this hello everybody has come in the next line. This all in this video today. See you in the next video soon.